This is our leg extension, leg curl, strength training machine. There are 3 levers in order to put the desired exercise correctly. You have the lower lever, you have a middle lever, and then you have a top lever. Of course, on the machine itself are the weight plates, and you would select the desired weight. So to make this a leg extension, we're going to have to adjust the lower level. We're going to bring it down. You have 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to bring this down to a 1. From there, I'm going to adjust the middle lever, or obviously the person that's performing this exercise would adjust the middle lever. We're going to bring the level down to a higher number. So you have numbers 1 through 12. I put this on a 10 because we are going to extend the leg at this part to target the upper part of the legs, the quadricep region, and some of the hip flexor. The last lever, the top lever, we're going to drop that down, ensure that it's tight on the legs. Before that, actually, we can also adjust the back part of this. You can extend the back up, or you can push the back part a little bit further back to make it more comfortable for you. And then we're going to perform a leg extension here. As we go, you bring them straight up. Again, we are targeting the front part, the quadriceps of the legs, a little bit of the hip flexors. Now I want to do a leg curl. Very simple. We're going to start with the lower lever. We're going to bring this down to a 4. The top lever, of course, we're going to raise up to kind of loosen up the legs. And then lastly, the middle lever, we're going to bring this now down to a number 4, because a leg curl is when we're actually curling the leg. So we're going to extend our legs here. You want your heels right on the bottom part of the cushion, not too far, kind of right past where the Achilles is. And we're going to perform this by pulling and curling the leg to target the back of the leg, the hamstrings. And here we go. And there's our leg extension, leg curl machine.